This is the marvelous entrance of Null Safari Resort. The area of this place is very huge, full of greenery and really peaceful. Null Safari Resort opens at 10:30 in the morning. That's why most people prefer to visit the Null Sarovar Bird Sanctuary in early morning and book a picnic at Null Safari Resort to make a full day joyous outing. Null Safari picnic package includes amenities like a swimming pool, waterfall, horse riding, boating, games along with food. This is the reception area. From the reception area itself, I got impressed a lot. It was eye-catching.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is always so good to feel the change from your daily routine life, and that's why today I am here at Null Safari Resort. It's approximately 44 kilometers far from Ahmedabad and it took 1.5 hours to reach here. The place is really beautiful and it is located at Kundan village, which is on the Sanand Null Sarovar road. It's a perfect one-day picnic spot. Let's explore this place together.
It's an outside sitting area where we can sit in a group and have some chit-chat. There are so many picture-perfect spots. This was one of them. Hence, we also clicked a lot of pictures at this place. I'm lacking in words to describe the beauty of this place. It's mesmerizing. This was the best part which I enjoyed the most. Horse riding, best ever experience. We also played cricket in the afternoon, followed by badminton. The guests can relax at a common lounge. Access to this lounge is included in your package itself. Outside food is not allowed. This is the dining area where we can have lunch, high tea and dinner. Enjoyed a lot together. Full on masti, dance. I think it's a perfect place for an outing with family or friends. The food was really delicious. I mean, each item was super yum. I loved the taste. Pure veg food was available. The swimming pool is very large, but due to government rules because of COVID, it was not accessible to the public. Though we missed lots of pool activities such as waterfall, rain dance, etc. This is the rain dance area. Playing area. We all have a little child inside all of us, and I became a kid at that time and enjoyed like never before. man-made exquisite pond. At the end of the day, we did boating here. So many picture perfect spots. Now we are going to the indoor games zone. Various indoor games are available here. Carom, table tennis, table soccer, Banana Kingdom. It's the upcoming project of Null Safari Resort, which is currently under development. I found this banner, so thought to share with all of you. So in case anyone wants to explore this new place in the future. In high tea we had poha, bread pakoda, banana, and tea or coffee. Everything was truly delicious. It seems they know that I'm capturing them. Now it's the boating time. We had great fun. The person who was driving the boat informed us that there is a particular spot in the water where we will find so many different kinds of fishes. We really enjoyed feeding them. A white beauty. These creatures in the pond were splendid. There are various options available for the package, such as from lunch to dinner or lunch and high tea, or high tea and dinner. You can choose as per your requirement. We chose the evening half day package. However, if you want to stay here, then rooms are also available. There are different types of rooms available. I have mentioned all the required details in the description section below. Please check there. At last, let me share some of the best moments which we captured here. And last but not the least, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all in my next video. A beautiful day ended with an amazing sunset view.